The Instant Pot is one of our favorite cooking tools because it cooks meat fast and efficiently, even if you put it in frozen. These easy Instant Pot chicken enchiladas are a flavorful weeknight meal for your family. Hey there, I'm Molly Thompson from What Molly Made. Welcome back to my kitchen where we make good food that makes you feel good too. Today we are making Instant Pot chicken enchiladas. They're filled with fiber-rich beans, corn, and onions. And of course, I'm sharing an option to keep them gluten and dairy-free. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of avocado oil or olive oil to the Instant Pot and set it to the sauté mode. Season both sides of 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast with 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of cumin, then use your fingers to rub it in. When the oil is hot, add the chicken breast and sear on both sides for about 2 minutes. It doesn't need to cook all the way, it just needs to create a crispy brown crust. Remove the seared chicken to a cutting board or plate and add another tablespoon of oil to the Instant Pot. Add 1 medium sliced onion and stir to cook and sweat the onions until they're translucent. Add 3 cloves of minced garlic and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant. Add the chicken back on top, then add 1.5 cups of enchilada sauce. Stir slightly to combine and cover the chicken with the sauce. Close the lid and make sure the vent is set to the sealing position. Pressure cook or manual cook for 8 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes if they're frozen. When the time is up, quick release the Instant Pot by turning the vent to let the steam out immediately. Open the lid and carefully remove the chicken to a cutting board. Use 2 forks to shred the chicken, then place it back in the Instant Pot with 1 can of corn and 1 can of black beans. Stir it all together to coat it in the sauce. Place 8 to 10 of your favorite tortillas on a microwave-safe plate and cover them with a damp paper towel. Warm them in the microwave for about 30 seconds to make them soft and more pliable. Pour another 1/2 cup of the enchilada sauce into the bottom of a greased 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Sprinkle 1.5 cups of shredded cheese evenly onto each tortilla, then top evenly with the shredded chicken mixture. Roll the enchiladas tightly and arrange them in the baking dish. Top with the remaining cup of enchilada sauce and more shredded cheese. If you want a dairy-free option, omit the shredded cheese inside and on top of the enchiladas and use our vegan cashew queso to pour over top after they bake. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes until the cheese is melted and bubbly or the enchiladas are warmed all the way through. Serve them warm and garnish them with your favorite toppings like cilantro, red onion, or avocado. I know you're going to love this easy recipe, and I bet your kiddos are gonna ask for it again and again. If you forget to defrost your chicken, don't grab takeout. I've got you with these healthy enchiladas. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. If you want another enchilada recipe, check out these healthy ground turkey enchiladas.